Hello, today we will walk through the process of preparing a personal budget, one of the keys to achieving your financial goals. Follow these tips to take financial control in your life. 1. Determine your income. Accurately calculating your income is one of the most critical steps in preparing a budget. In addition to your regular salary, take into account all your income sources, such as freelance work, investment returns, or side income. 2. Track your expenses. Record all your expenses for a month, from coffee purchases to bill payments. This is great for truly seeing where you're spending money and spotting unnecessary expenses. 3. Create budget categories. Categorize your expenses to understand and manage them. By dividing your expenses into clear sections such as home, food, transportation, and entertainment, you can see more clearly how much you spend for each category. 4. Set savings goals. Set short and long-term goals. Determine how much you want to save for your emergency fund, vacation, retirement, or investment goals. 5. Set monthly limits. Set monthly spending limits for each category so that they do not exceed your income. These limits will allow you to achieve your goals, but they should also be realistic and sustainable. 6. Create a budget plan. Add together your income and expenses and see how much you can save each month. The net amount you get by subtracting your expenses from your income can be used for savings and investments. 7. Track your expenses. Track your expenses regularly throughout the month. This way, you can make sure you stay within your budget and stick to the plan. 8. Be flexible. There will be unexpected expenses and financial situation changes. Review and adjust your budget as necessary. Being flexible makes your budget sustainable in the long run. 9. Manage your debts. Prioritize your existing debts, especially high-interest debts. Create a debt payment plan and designate a separate category for it in your budget. 10. Evaluate your progress and make adjustments. At the end of each month, evaluate how close you are to your financial goals. Make adjustments to your budget based on changes in your savings goals, expenses, and income. I hope this guide to making a budget was helpful to you. If you found it useful, please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments section. I wish you all success in your financial journey. See you in the next video.